Morning students. So the next topic is set. Okay, so set is a data type. In Python it supports 4 types of data types. 4 types data type. What are they? So first one is list, next one is tuple, okay, tuple, and the third one is set, and the last one is dictionary, So these 4 are the major data types supported by Python. Okay, so last class we discussed about list and tuple. So what is the difference between list and tuple? List is a mutable one, but tuple is a immutable one. What is the difference between mutable and immutable? Mutable in the sense changeable, okay, and immutable in the sense unchangeable. During the execution time you can change the value of the list. Means, so list, that's why list is called as a mutable. But in tuple you can't change the value of the tuple, you can't change the element inside the tuple. That's why tuple is called as a immutable element. Likewise, set is the next data type. Set is the mutable one, which means during the execution time you can change the elements inside the set. So set is a mutable one. So same thing, set also you can store multiple elements, okay, but using a common name you can refer all the elements inside the set. Using a common name you can refer the elements inside the set. Okay, so what is the lowest index value? 0 is the lowest index value. So what is the lowest index value? 0 is the lowest index value. So the first element in the set, calling using the name of the set with the subscription, okay. So likewise only we can call all the elements inside the set, okay, and the symbol of set is curly brace. The symbol of the set is curly brace. What is the symbol of list? The symbol of list is square bracket. The symbol of list is square bracket. What is the symbol of tuple? Parenthesis is the symbol of tuple. What is the symbol of set? Curly brace. Curly brace is the symbol of set. Okay, so again one more time, set is a data type and set is a mutable one. Using set you can store more number of elements, and with the help of the index you can call individual elements inside the set. Okay, so all the elements are separated using a comma operator. So how we understood the given one is set? With the help of the symbol, with the help of the curly brace only you can understand the given one is a Python or set or dictionary, whatever it is. So according to the symbol only the user can understand what kind of data is that. Okay, புரிஞ்சதா? அப்ப set அப்படினா என்னது? அது ஒரு data type தான். List, tuple மாதிரி நம்ம என்ன செஞ்சுக்கலாம்? இதுலயே நிறைய எலிமெண்ட் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஒவ்வொரு எலிமெண்ட்டையும் நம்ம ஒரு எலிமெண்ட்ல இருந்து கமா ஆபரேட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணி செப்பரேட் பண்ணி காட்டணும். லிஸ்ட்டுக்கு வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பிராக்கெட் யூஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தோம், டப்பிளுக்கு வந்து parenthesis யூஸ் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். அதே மாதிரி செட்டுக்கு நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ற சிம்பல் வந்து curly brace. ஸோ curly braceக்கு இன்சைட்ல நீ எவ்வளோ நம்பர் ஆஃப் எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்னாலும் கொடுத்துக்கலாம். அப்போ curly braceனாலே பைத்தான் என்ன அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம்? the given one is a set அப்படிங்கறத வந்து அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட் பண்ணிக்கும். ஓகேவா? Then the next one is the general format of the set. This is very important one. You must write the general format very neatly. Set variable equal to e1, e2, e3 up to en. Okay, en. So this is a way of creating a set. Left equal to symbol, you have to mention the name of the set variable. Okay, then after, which means the right side of the equal to operator, you have to mention the number of elements inside the set. And also set also a homogeneous element. What do you mean by homogeneous? Homogeneous in the sense it supports same type of data. Suppose you want to store the number, means all the elements must be in number. Suppose you want to store string, means all the elements must be string. You cannot store the combination value, string and list, integer and string, like that you can't store. So that type of is only called as a homogeneous. Okay, so some example given. S1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 3.14. Okay, 3.14. So here S1 is the set variable. So how the user call the set variable? With the help of the name only. அப்படிதானே? ஒரு set variable எப்படி கால் பண்ணுவோம்? அதுல நம்ம என்ன நேம் கொடுத்து டிஃபைன் பண்ணிருக்கோமோ அந்த நேமை வச்சு தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய முடியும்? set variable ரெஃபர் பண்ண முடியும். So what are the elements? இந்த set variable என்ன எலிமெண்ட்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கு? 1 இருக்கு, 2 இருக்கு, 3 இருக்கு, a இருக்கு, 3.14 இருக்கு. okay va. So these are all the elements of the set variable s1, okay va. So அப்ப 1 அப்படிங்கறதை எப்படி ரெஃபர் பண்ணுவோம், s1 of 0 அப்படின்னு தான் நம்ம என்ன செய்ய முடியும், first one element நம்ம ரெஃபர் பண்ண முடியும், s1 of 0. It used to refer the first element of the set. Okay, suppose I want to refer the fifth elements, means I have to use the statement s1 of 4. Okay, likewise only you can call the set variable. Okay, print s1. See, so one small example, s1 equal to, okay, then the next statement is print s1. Print s1. This is a command line prompt. Command line prompt, what do you mean by command line prompt? That means the interpreter is ready to accept the input from the user. Okay, after the user enter the input, see, he or she simply press the enter key, he can easily get the answer of the previous command. So that command is only called as a command prompt. Command prompt. Okay, so here the user use the command prompt for entering the code. The first one is the number of values. Print s1 means you have to check the answer. All the elements of the set will be directly printed on the screen. Okay, then what is the next statement, s2. They are using another one set variable. s2 is the another one set variable. So in this example the user used two set variable, one is s1 and another one is s2. So s1 all the variables and s2 it also has different set of elements. So when the user print the particular set, the particular element of the set value will be printed on the screen, right? Can you understand? Okay, then when you print the elements from set, Python shows the values in different order. Okay, so this is Python. In Python, set is a mutable one, so you can change the value inside of it. So simply that is the very big difference compared with the tuple. You can't change the value, but in list as well as set you can change the value. So the another one example, my list equal to 2 4 6 8 10. So my list is a what kind of value? My list is a list variable. Why this is a list variable? Because they are using a square bracket for storing all the values. So with the help of the square bracket the user can easily understand the given one is a list variable. And see the next statement, my set is a set variable, equal to set of. So here in this example set function is used to create a set. So in two cases you can create a set. One is using a curly brace, you can directly give the value, and another one is with the help of the set function you can enroll all the elements of the set variable. Okay, so here set of my list. So all the elements in my list are saved into the my set variable. So now what are the elements in my set? 2 4, all the even numbers. The next one statement is print of my set. So my set is a set variable, but my list is a list variable. So using a equal to operator, all the elements in list variable are copied into the my set variable. Okay, so this is a basic of set concept. Okay, so set is a mutable one. So using a curly brace you can create a set, you can copy your set into another set. Then set supports a heterogeneous values. You can store different types of values inside the set. Okay, so these are all the basic concepts of set.